Founded in 1956, FundicionNodular is a leading company in the manufacture of rolling mill rolls. Based in Asturias, northern Spain, it supplies the world market and meets the specific needs of over 300 clients. This is made possible by its advanced technology and its full control over all phases of the manufacturing process. High-tech machinery, broad-based technical know-how, and in-house research allows us to manufacture from small rolls for bar mills to large backup rolls for strip mills in a variety of material grades. Our production output exceeds 15,000 tons per year. In addition to striving to offer the finest quality and customer service, FundicionNodular is also firmly committed to research, development, and innovation. It undertakes research in collaboration with universities and new material development centers, and actively makes investments in equipment. This will enable it to launch a new range of high-speed steel rolls, which offer performance 5 times better than current products. Total control over all phases of the manufacturing process allows us to adapt each product to the specific needs of each client with full quality assurance. Molding. We use high-quality sand, approved resins, automatic dosing and mixing systems, and our own facilities for applying chill coatings, all of which are subject to exhaustive quality controls. This helps to ensure perfect molds with top performance during casting, preventing impurities on the working layer and in the roll interface. Melting. We are equipped with 4 induction furnaces of 5, 8, 25, and 28 tons, as well as a 50-ton arc furnace. Prior to melting, raw materials undergo careful analysis and dosing. During the melting process, ongoing chemical and thermal analyses enable us to obtain compositions and microstructures that adapt perfectly to our clients' needs and requirements. After the molten metal is poured into the casting ladle, final alloying adjustments are made using ladle metallurgy techniques. Casting. Once the molten metal has acquired the proper conditions, casting is performed with a static or centrifugal system. In the first case, the molten metal, which has a uniform composition, fills the stationary mold from the bottom up. Centrifugal molding is technologically more complex and allows for greater levels of efficiency. In this case, the mold, mounted vertically on a centrifugal machine, gets filled from the outside to the inside with 3 molten metals of different compositions that must be added in highly synchronized fashion. This differential casting method allows each part of the roll to have a different composition depending on the specific mechanical requirements. The outer shell, with a high degree of hardness and rigidity for shaping steel, the interface, as the barrier between two metals with opposing performance features, and a resistant flexible core able to absorb and dissipate the significant mechanical and thermal stresses generated during rolling. Heat treatment. After melting and casting, heat treatments constitute the final decisive phase in the manufacture of our rolls. We are equipped with 8 car-bottom furnaces, 4 80-ton units, 3 150-ton units, and 1 400-ton unit, as well as 2 hearth furnaces. All of them reach temperatures up to 1,100 degrees Celsius with air circulation and fully automated controls, in which annealing, tempering, and stress-relieving operations are performed. 2 high-tech air and water machines with automatic temperature gauges enable us to quench and harden any type of material. A Cellas differential hardening furnace allows us to treat large, chemically homogeneous monoblock pieces, giving them 2 very different structures. For example, this treatment enables our large backup rolls to have an extremely hard and resistant banidic and martensitic matrix on the working layer. At the same time, a fine pearlitic matrix is obtained on the roll necks and core, making them tough enough to withstand the enormous stresses that they will be subjected to in modern rolling mills. Machining. After being heat treated, rolls acquire their final shape in the machining section, where their surfaces are lathed, milled, and rectified. This section, which is housed in 3 bays, has an operational capacity for handling rolls having a distance between centers of up to 10 meters, 1,600 millimeters in diameter, and 60 tons of finished weight. During machining, test pieces are obtained in order to perform the physical, chemical, and metallographic tests required by quality control laboratories. Each roll also undergoes testing to determine its tensile strength, bending strength, yield strength, elongation, rupture strength, resiliency, and hardness, the results of which are stated in the appropriate certificate. FundicionNodular offers its clients rolls that are suited to the demands and requirements of their facilities in a wide range of materials, beginning with nodular graphite iron, from which the company gets its name, and traditional acicular cast iron, and alloyed iron and steel, as well as today's best performing materials, indefinite chill microalloys, high chrome iron, high chrome steel, and high-speed steel in pearlitic, banidic, and martensitic matrices. Exacting and ongoing quality control that cover every phase of the manufacturing process enable the company to certify that each one of the products it ships worldwide is of the highest quality. To begin this new chapter in its history, FundicionNodular has adopted an approach aimed at strengthening its position as a commercial and technological leader. Substantial investments will enable it to boost the output of its heat treatment and machining operations. Its goal is to achieve the manufacturing capacity needed to supply the world market while offering it the latest developments from its research programs. Rolls made with new materials that deliver much higher levels of resistance and performance than traditional ones. and which are capable of meeting the needs of even the most demanding clients. All of these factors, together with a qualified professional staff committed to achieving corporate goals, have helped to bring FundicionNodular to the international forefront, where it has earned a place based on its product quality, customer service, and technology.